Hello, we are Team Next Gen Minds, and our problem statement is Real Time Disaster Information Aggregator. Alertify is a comprehensive platform that addresses the critical need for real time verified disaster data. Through advanced technologies like NLP, machine learning, and interactive data visualization, the platform empowers disaster response team with the tools they need to make faster and more informed decisions. Before diving into the prototype, let me briefly explain the data processing behind our solution. We gather disaster related data in real time from a variety of sources, including social media platforms, news portals, official agencies, and several other sources. This raw data is then processed using natural language processing methods such as tokenization, named entity recognition, and context analysis to extract key details like disaster type, affected location, and severity level. The system further utilizes machine learning models like classification algorithm and contextual embedding to filter, categorize, and analyze this information. The structured data is mapped and visualized on the dashboard, allowing response teams to easily identify high risk areas. Now, after logging in, and the dashboard, the first view you see is this particular dashboard. On the right hand side, we have an interactive map that highlights the precise location of ongoing disaster, providing a clear visualization of incident areas. On the left hand side, there is a section that classifies disaster by their name, severity, and also affected states. Now, below the map, you will find a section it, where real time insights about each disaster, including active disasters, the number of people affected, and the resources required for effective response. This information is crucial for resource management team to understand the impact and plan deployments. Moving further, there is a notification section for the NDI. This provides alerts about disaster, along with the tweets or posts that were used to gather these insights. Next, we have a statistics section that visually represents the disaster data such as disaster by city, severity distribution, affected people over time. This helps the NDRF make data-driven decisions quickly and efficiently. Now, coming back to the dashboard, at the bottom right corner of the dashboard, there is a Generate Report button. Upon clicking, you can filter disaster based on type and severity to download a detailed report. This report gives a clear breakdown of disaster information, helping NDRF. Now, coming back to the dashboard, there is an additional feature that when you click on a specific location on a map, there's an email feature that lets you send automated alerts to the nearest SDRF and police forces to ensure timely response. This complete dashboard solution helps the NDRF and other agencies is by providing real-time information, quick insights, and the ability to coordinate. Thank you.